I guess most of them get 182 for this problem in wrong order here. 7 plus 6 is 13 times 5 plus 3 power 2 in bracket. Here 13 times 5 plus 3 power 2 is 9 in bracket. Here 13 times, here 5 plus 9 is 14. Here 13 times 14 is 182 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 182 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 7 plus 6 times. Inside the bracket, we have two operations. One is addition and the other one is the exponent. Here, the exponent is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this exponent before this addition. Here, 5 plus 3 power 2 is 9 in bracket. Here, 7 plus 6 times, here 5 plus 9 is 14. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 7 plus here 6 times 14 is 84. Here 7 plus 84 is 91 is the correct answer.